heart of the evergreen forest, 5 friends lived in harmony with nature. Their names were Leo the lion, Ellie the elephant, Zara the zebra, Max the monkey, and Polly the parrot. Each had unique talents and personalities, making them a fantastic team. One sunny morning, the friends gathered by the sparkling river for their weekly meeting. Polly, always the chatterbox, perched on a branch and excitedly announced, "I heard from the wind that a treasure is hidden somewhere in the forest." Leo, the brave leader, roared with excitement, "A treasure hunt. Let's go find it, friends." Ellie, wise and thoughtful, suggested, "We should bring supplies and make a plan first. It might be a long journey." Zara, always eager for an adventure, agreed. "I'll get the map I found in the old tree trunk last week." Max, the mischievous monkey, swung down from a vine and grinned, "And I'll bring bananas for energy." With their plan set, the friends started their quest. They followed the map, which led them through the densest parts of the forest. Along the way, they encountered several challenges that tested their teamwork and courage. First, they came across a deep ravine with only a flimsy rope bridge to cross. Leo went first, his powerful paws gripping the rope tightly. He reached the other side and encouraged the others to follow. Ellie used her strong trunk to hold the bridge steady, ensuring everyone crossed safely. Next, they reached a dark cave. Polly, with her keen eyesight, flew ahead and guided them through the labyrinth. Her colorful feathers lit up the path, making sure they didn't get lost. Suddenly, they heard a growl echoing through the cave. Max, ever the quick thinker, climbed up the walls and spotted a family of bears. He signaled the others to stay quiet, and gently led them past the bears without waking them. Finally, the map led them to an ancient tree with roots that spread out like fingers. Zara noticed a glimmer of something shiny nestled among the roots. "The treasure must be here," she exclaimed. Together, they dug around the roots and uncovered a beautifully carved chest. Inside, they found sparkling gems, ancient coins, and a note that read, "To those who find this treasure, know that the greatest wealth is your friendship and the adventures you share." The friends looked at each other and smiled. Leo spoke up, "This treasure is wonderful, but it's true. The best part of this journey was doing it together." They decided to leave the treasure in the forest, ensuring future adventurers could find joy in their discovery. With hearts full of happiness, they headed back to their home, already excited for their next adventure. And so, the 5 friends of Evergreen Forest continued to live with excitement and joy, knowing that their bond was the greatest treasure of all.